One careless paste into a chatbot can leak a customer list, a contract, or a private repo forever. Today, we'll show the specific controls that stop sensitive data from ever reaching copilots and chatbots without slowing your teams. Leaks happen three ways. First, people paste sensitive text or files into public models. Second, tools automatically ingest documents or source code during what seems like helpful indexing. Third, integrations pull confidential data into prompts at runtime. Our job is to reduce all three with layered, quiet controls that employees barely notice. Think of prevention as 5 layers: policy, identity, data, network, application. Each layer catches what the others miss. Policy is the human layer that people actually use. A 2-page AI use policy clearly lists red, amber, green data. Red includes PII, PHI, secrets, unreleased financials, legal docs, customer materials, and regulated datasets. It also contains an approved tools list with tiers and review dates. Identity and access uses SSO plus conditional access to ensure only trusted users and devices reach AI tools. RBAC and ABAC restrict who can use which Copilot features and data connectors. Just-in-time access provides elevated capabilities with short TTL tokens. Data controls include enterprise no train, no retain mode or data boundary and tenant isolation for AI providers. Inline DLP scanning of prompts and attachments happens before they leave the organization. Client-side or gateway redaction automatically masks sensitive information. Network and egress controls include an egress allow list to ensure only enterprise AI endpoints are reachable, blocking public chatbots. Private peering and VPC endpoints are used for vendor AI services when available. DNS controls manage known public AI domains. Application and dev controls disable external connectors by default and enable least privilege connectors. Copilot configuration, prompt hygiene guard, retrieval augmented generation safety protocols, and more ensure secure defaults and context. Controls work best when users have patterns they can trust. A good pattern for public or non-sensitive content is summarize the public article below into 3 bullets for a client update. Include links and limitations. A good pattern for internal but non-confidential content is turn these anonymized meeting notes into action items. Do not retain or train on this content. A bad pattern, which would be blocked by data loss prevention, is here's our customer list with emails and credit terms. Generate upsell copy. Roll out in 3 tight waves. Days 0 to 30, publish 2-page policy. Turn on SSO, conditional access, RBAC for AI tools. Enforce enterprise no retain. Modes, ship micro lessons on safe prompts. Days 31 to 60, enable tokenization for specific fields. Configure content filters and output scanning. Lock down RAG with document ACLs, connector scopes, and retrieval logs. Days 61-90, add private peering and VPC endpoints. Turn on watermarking for high-risk content types. Run a tabletop exercise. Employee tries to paste contract into public chatbot. Show the business it's working. Blocked risk events like PII and secrets stopped pre-egress. Approved versus blocked destinations measured in percentage using enterprise endpoints. Monitor mean time to approve pilots and AI-related incidents showing downward trends. Live walkthrough. In an unsafe scenario, a sales rep tries to paste last quarter's non-public revenue table into a public chatbot, but this action is blocked by DLP and egress controls. In a safe flow, anonymized metrics and enterprise copilots are used for secure communication. Before enabling any copilot or chatbot, ask vendors key questions. Do you support no train, no retain, and tenant isolation? Can we peering or VPC directly and restrict to allow listed endpoints? Do you provide prompt response logs, admin APIs, and DLP hooks? Preventing AI data leaks isn't about saying no. It's about default safe controls that let people move fast. Identity gates, inline DLP and redaction, egress allow lists, secure RAG, and review where it counts. Turn these on, and your best day with AI becomes your new normal.